The garbage disposal is making a humming sound. Won't run, hums, right? So cleared the jam wheel, right? And then that still didn't work. So this, by the way, this book here is Reader's Digest, new fix-it-yourself manual. Any rate, so here's the thing, right? There's a button down here. See that right there? It says won't run, or no power in this case. It says press reset button facing page. So this is the garbage disposal. And here's where the garbage disposal reset button is. It's right there. It's a red button. So who knew?
Mom's books.
So saved $100.